The ball is in the box. He's running around the tree.
Table.
He's under the table.
The ball is on the table.
She's behind the chair.
He's in front of the board.
Chairs.
She's between two chairs. The balloon is above his head. The drawer is below the table. They're next to each other. He's near the tree. She's walking across the street. He's walking through the tunnel.
Pool.
He's jumping into the pool.
He's sliding down the hill.
She's climbing out of the box.